it's running season, or at least it's summertime. And because it's summertime, we gotta have the legs out. And because we gotta have the legs out, we gotta make a pair of shorts. What is good, everybody? Welcome back into the channel. It's your boy, you already know who it is. But if you don't, my name is Malcolm Dakar. And in today's video, I'm going to be altering this shorts pattern that I have and then running through a couple samples. Now, I've made shorts in the past, but I've never really locked in a pattern, and I've never really figured out what I did and did not like about them. So in today's video, like I said, I'm really gonna try to flesh out a good pattern and try to make a good pair of shorts so I can just have a bunch of shorts that I can run in and work out in. So these are the shorts that I'm going to be altering. They're a little baggy at the top, so I'm gonna try to clean that up. After rewatching the video though, they're not as bad as I originally thought, but I still think I can clean them up. So let's get to the pattern. Okay everybody, so I have my pattern here, and instead of creating a new one, I'm actually just going to alter this one. I'm going to take in it's not even this line, it's this line. I'm going to take in 1/2 inch, and so instead of this line being 14, it's going to be 13.5, or I might take it in the whole inch and make it 12. Actually, that's what I think I will do, because that's what I was thinking after I thought of taking it in 1/2 inch. I'm going to take it in to 12 inches, so that'll be an inch taken off there. I'm going to keep this line 15, and yeah, I don't think to me taking this line in will really alter this line too much, so I won't really have to worry about this line getting too tight. And then I'm going to take in this an inch, and then I'm going to also get rid of this inch, and so this line will be 12, and then this line will be 13. And so I think that's all I'm going to do with it, and I think it'll be a much better fitting short. So let's do it. Okay everybody, so this line actually will get taken in a bit. This is currently 10 1/8, but if I took this line in an inch, it would make this line like 9 3/4, and I'm not sure if that is what I want or not. I sort of feel like with the way the shorts were fitting, if I were to take this in and turn that into 9 3/4, that's about a quarter. What is that, 3/8? That's like 3/8. I feel like that's okay, and I think I'm gonna run with it, because I honestly think that'd be okay to make this line 9 3/4, and it wouldn't be like this crotch line wouldn't be like in my crotch, you know what I mean? It would still be a good fitting thing, and it would just fit a little more snugger and not necessarily tighter. And so I believe that that is okay. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to take it in 1/2 inch instead of the whole inch, because this 1/2 inch, this line will be 9 3/4. This line is actually like 9 5/8. So I want to just work with the 1/2 inch first, and then if I need to take it in again, I can. Okay, everybody, so I have cut out the pieces, I have sewn some stuff together, I have sewn the backs together and the fronts, and I've started to do a new pocket instead of doing the ugly ones that I was doing on these shorts before. I have decided to do a welt with a zipper attached to it, and you got the pocket. Not the cleanest whatsoever. Top stitching definitely has some room for improvement, but yeah, just a sample pair. And I've also cut out some spandex, and I'm going to add spandex to the short. I think that'll just be nice to add that. And then I cut out my waistband and my elastic and everything. So I'm gonna sew everything up, and then we'll just come back when I have it finished, and I am hoping that I have a well-fitting short. Okay, everybody, so I definitely did not get the fit of the short correct. As you can see, they're still a little baggy at the top. I would actually say they're even baggier than the original pair of shorts that we were altering, which is weird, but I will say I learned some things. And I will also say that I think once worn and washed, clothes fit differently. In this case, the shorts I feel like fit differently after I had run in them and then washed them. And so again, you just learn more things as you do them. If I were to make 10 more pairs, I'm sure I will learn many more things about how to make a good pair of shorts. And so this whole thing is literally just about learning more and more about each garment, because I feel like with each garment that you do, it is like a slightly different process. And I like to say, like, I would only feel confident in making collared shirts if I had made hundreds and hundreds of them, because then I would really know about how to make a collared shirt, you know what I mean? And so with this, it's just a learning process. And I will say that I did make another pair of shorts after this, and they fit much better. They're actually in front of me right now. And so I think I do feel confident in making a how-to on how to make a pair of shorts, which will be the next video. So I'm pretty excited to do that because I've got some pretty cool fabric that I've been working on. So I'm very excited to share that with you guys. But until next time, keep creating. Peace.